Windows with peeling interior paint near sills usually mean you've got some moisture sneaking in, and that can mess up your whole room if you don't handle it right. So, first off, you want to check where that moisture is coming from. Look for leaks around the window frame or sill, because even small cracks can let water in. Next, grab a good sealant and patch up any gaps or damaged caulking to keep the water out. After that, sand down the peeling paint gently so you get a smooth surface before you repaint. Use a primer that blocks moisture to stop the paint from peeling again, then pick a quality paint that's designed for high humidity areas. Don't forget to keep the room ventilated while the paint dries to avoid trapping moisture inside. If the wood is soft or rotten, replace that part of the sill to prevent more damage. Lastly, check your gutters and roof because water from those spots can also cause the problem near your windows. One of the biggest mistakes people make with peeling paint near windowsills is just slapping on new paint without fixing the leaks first, which means the problem comes back fast. Another common issue is skipping primer or using the wrong kind, so the paint doesn't stick well and peels again. Also, not addressing wood rot early can cause bigger structural damage that costs way more to fix later on. To fix these, always stop the leaks before painting. Use a moisture-blocking primer and replace any rotten wood instead of just covering it up. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know how to fix these moisture and paint problems right. For contractors, it's a great way to get work by connecting with people who actually need their skills for home repairs and improvements.